The next we continue with hypothesis functions in linear regression. It is the linearity and a linear the hypothesis function in linear regression is assumptions or the linearity and independence. A linearity is a it assumes that there is a linear relationship between the independent and dependent variable. This means that changes in the independent variable lead to proportional changes in the dependent variable. The independence is the observations should be independent from the each other, that is a error from one observation should not influence other. As we have discussed that our independent features is the experience. Here the and the x and the respective salary y is the dependent variable. Let's assume there is a really linear relationship between x and y. Then the salary can be predicted using the y cap equal to theta 1 plus theta 2 of x, or y I cap equal to uh, theta 1 plus theta 2 on xi. Here the uh, small I belongs to capital Y. Here the I equal to 1 to up to n or the labels to data. It is a supervised learning. Then x I belongs to capital X equal to I equal to 1 to up to n, that is the input dependent variable. Input independent training data, it is a unvariate the one input variable of parameter. Here the y I cap belongs to capital Y cap equal to I equal to 1 comma 2 comma and n are the predicted values. Here the models to get the best regression fit by finding the best theta 1 and theta 2 values, or theta 1 is a intercept and theta 2 is the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x. Once we have to find the best theta 1 and theta 2 values, we get the best fit line. So when they are finally using the model for the predictions, it will predicted the values of y for the input values of x. Then how to update the theta 1 and theta 2 values to get the best fit line? To achieve the best fit regression line, the model aims to predict the target values uh, of y cap, and the true value of y is the minimum. So it is very important to update the theta 1 and theta 2 values to reach the best value that minimize the error between the predicted y value and the true y value. Here the equations of minimize 1 divided by n, the summation of I equal to 1 power n into y I cap minus yi the whole square. The next, the types of the linear regression. The linear regression can be the further the divided into the two types of algorithm. The first one is an simple linear regression and second one is a multiple linear regression. A simple linear regression is the only one independent feature is known as the simple linear regression. Here the multiple linear regression is the when there are more than one features, it is known as the multiple linear regression.